Welcome friends. The today news is US lawmakers unveil bid to boost domestic chip making industry. So the news about this is a bipartisan group of lawmakers has introduced a measure aimed at strengthening chip manufacturing in the United States, aiding to efforts to champion the sector and lure high-tech supply chains back into the United States. The measure, backed by top Senate Democrat Chuck Schumer and key Republican Tom Cotton, would offer $15 billion in federal grants to states to build, expand, or modernize domestic semiconductor manufacturing and R&D facilities. It would also authorize $5 billion in federal dollars towards public-private projects to build or modernize fabs that produce measurably secure and specialized microelectronics for use by the federal government as well as for critical structure. An additional $5 billion would be allocated as grants to federal agencies to foment research and development in the sector. The measure was offered as an amendment to the National Defense Authorization Act, which authorizes US military spending but is used as a vehicle for a broad range of policymakers as it has passed annually for more than 50 years. However, the bill will be introduced as a standalone as well to bolster its chances. A Senate said that the bill will be introduced as a standalone as well to bolster its chances. While approval is far from guaranteed in politically gridlocked Washington, the amendment is part of our growing bipartisan campaign to fuel growth of US chip foundries as the industry's center of gravity has shifted to Asia. While some US firms such as Intel Corp and Micron Technology Incorporation still make chips in the United States, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company has more than half of the overall market for contract manufacturing chips and an even stronger hold on the most advanced chips. Republican Senator John Cornyn and Democratic Senator Mark Warner introduced a bill this month to provide more than $22.8 billion in aid for semiconductor manufacturers to spur the construction of chip factories in America amid a strategic technology rivalry with China. The Semiconductor Industry Association welcomed the move as overseas governments and has offered aggressive incentives for advanced chip manufacturing to relocate. So, dear friends, this is all about how US lawmakers boost domestic chip making industry. Write your opinion in the comment section of this news. So, if you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming technology related information first. So dear friends, let's meet you in another video. Thank you very much.